I'm going to this sauce.
What is your name?
I don't know. Adobo.
So magtatakayan sila bakit may itlog na tong adobo. Siyempre, iba na yung recipe natin na to, chicken killer adobo na mayroong pinya. No? Ano what is the occupation your brother?
Wait, what?
My brother and my sister-in-law are both pastors, actually. Yeah. Ja, du kriegst gleich was.
Ah, salamat naman.
Out the door, dinosaur.
Utong. Wala nang intro to ng ganon.
Magandang umaga, magandang araw, magandang gabi.
So meron tayong cooking session ulit, number 2 in Germany.
Yes.
Na nandito ako, mga pre.
We decided we want to make chicken adobo today. I know I made it already by myself, but it's like nicer when Archie makes it, and it's one of our family's favorites actually since 2 years when Archie first introduced it to us 2 years ago, and my parents really love it. And he made it one time already for my brother and my sister-in-law, but it was old chicken that we bought.
Yung nabili kasi ni Papa na manok is yung native chicken. So yung native chicken pala dito pang soup stock lang nila. So hindi ko rin alam, wala akong alam sa manok dito kung ano yung native at saka ano yung parang what is the other one aside from the native chicken? This one, what you call this one?
It's called Brat chicken in Germany. You take it like for making, like stuff it and then putting it in the oven and then like grill it.
Roasted. So now hindi na natin patatagalin pa mga pre. Tingin ko gutom na sila. So kailangan na natin magluto at umpisahan. So ngayon sa atin magkakaroon tayo ng twist sa chicken adobo. Hindi katulad na niluluto ko dati. Ngayon meron tayong lalagay na sikreto nilang pineapple. Ayan. So ito yung magpapatamis-tamis, konting tamis sa ating adobo. Mga pre, natutunan ko to sa nanay ko, yung adobo niya, nilalagyan niya ng UFC. Tamis ang ketchup. Yung recipe na to, sa kanya ko natutunan ito. Nakaraan, nagluto tayo para sa parents niya. So ngayon, para sa entire family niya na. So most especially sa kuya niya. Papalakas tayo kay Bayaw.
So while Archie and me are cooking, Mama is taking care of Ella, and she's also baking a cake while she's taking care of Ella, and Ella is helping her a lot. Yay! Kneading the dough.
Not eating.
And she's always trying to eat the dough also. Okay guys, let's start. Archie will cut the chicken because I'm not good in cutting bones.
Okay, go.
And I will peel and cut the potatoes.
Yeah. Okay, cube-cube lang natin itong mga pre. Medyo lakihan natin yung hiwa. Mga ganito siguro. Si German yung pakakainin natin. Hindi katulad sa Pinoy, mas marami, mas maganda, mas marami makakain. Ayan mga pre. Ito, dalawain din natin mga pre. Talas sa mga kutsilyo nila dito mga pre. Yung chicken nga pala nila dito, may kasamang ganito. Puso, atay, at saka, ewan ko, taba siguro. Ostig na, nakasupot. Nakalagay din ito sa loob. Naiwan lang doon sa may sinking kaya hindi ko napakita. So sasama rin natin ito. Siyempre, napakasarap kaya nito.
Okay, Now cutting the bawang. Is it bawang?
Okay.
How should I cut it, like this?
Oh,
How do you want it?
It's okay.
Or like
Yeah,
three like this?
No problem. No problem.
I don't know how you want it. You're the chef cook, so I'm just a friend. That's okay. Done already. It's only a few ingredients. Very nice. So
we have egg,
log, patatas, chicken, and I always think luya.
garlic, bawang.
Garlic, bawang.
At nandito na sa gilid natin yung ano. Yan, okay?
Ta-da!
So, syempre, ano pang gagawin natin ito? Hugas na ito lahat, no? So, naugasan na rin natin. So, ano pang gagawin natin? Tara na! Start luto na!
Luto.
Okay.
Luto lang. Oh, mantika.
Talagang intro, no? Mantika.
Stir it.
So, ayan, stir muna natin mantika. Katulad ng nakaraan yan, mga pre, no? Okay.
We need to wait a little bit until it's hot and then we stir frying the potatoes.
Okay.
Potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes first. Aniko, what is the occupation your brother?
Wait, what?
My brother and my sister-in-law are both pastors, actually. Yeah. They got to know each other while studying.
Yes.
Yes, very cute.
Kaya nga talagang grabe kong bait-baitan dito mga pre. No? Yung sungay na tumutubo dyan talagang tago.
Mantika is hot, so let's add the patatas. Why? Jumping water. Cover. Okay. A little bit nice, but they need a little bit more also.
Pwede na. Golden brown na rin siya.
Woohoo!
Bango. Okay. Patatas is done. So next natin asawa ko, just add a little bit more mantika.
Some oil.
Yeah. Tapos sunod na natin yung bawang, no? Pwede na yan, mainit na yung mantika na. Kukulo na rin mamaya-maya yan.
Sorry, I tried it.
Hindi pala kukulo kasi patay. Pinatay niya pala mga pre. So ayan, sotay lang natin yan. So next natin yung manok mga pre. No? Prepared na ito, nakahiwa na. Siyempre. Woohoo! Happy New Year! Pero, excited na ako matikpan to ni Bayaw.
Looks already very nice.
Ready na yan, asawa ko?
Ready nyan! So now let's put the ingredients. Add the ingredients to the very nice chicken. Soy sauce. Come on.
I will say stop.
Okay.
No, stop.
Oh, it smells good. I love the smell of soy sauce.
Me too, I love you too.
What I love in
What do you
adobo?
love in adobo, asawa ko?
Mostly I love actually not the chicken itself. I love the sauce with the patatas
Yeah,
and rice.
and rice.
Yeah. The chicken is only there for a side, but I like most like the sauce and the rice with patatas.
Okay, takpan muna natin ulit. Antayin na natin mga 1 to 3 minutes. Tapos check natin ulit, okay?
So my kuya went out with his wife and his son, and they are meeting a friend close by. I think they will go and eat ice cream and talk like that. Very nice. And yeah, when they come back, they ask, "Is it possible we can eat already when we come back?" And like, please, and then of course.
Napakabait ng kuya niya mga pre. Ni Bayaw pala, ni Bayaw.
Let's check the chicken and.
Okay, Aniko, what you need to add first? The second one?
Suka.
What is the name of suka?
Suka, this one is the Melfor Suka. It's the vinegar from where my mama was born, the place in Germany where my mama is from. This one, we only need this one in our family.
So, okay. I tried this, guys. Masarap.
Yeah, it's actually vinegar with some herbs and spices inside, like a little bit nicer vinegar.
Okay, so add na natin yan. I will say stop.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Mix.
So, para antayin natin maluto yung suka at saka yung toyo bago natin i-add yung iba nating ingredients. No?
Yeah, how much? How much you
Maybe
need?
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Okay, wow. Mabango. So, siya yung magpapatamis mga pre, tsaka may flavor ng konting pineapple, no? Nakaraan sila mama yung may in love. Ngayon si Bayaw naman.
Nana is the
Secret recipe. The banana and tamis.
Yeah, how much? How much?
Okay, I will say yes. Alright, okay. Naku pare. Ang sarap na talaga nito sigurado. Mix natin ulit. Ang super ko.
So next, the spices. We have here nice peppercorns, like this.
Yeah, tuloy ko.
Oh, I like pepper.
Okay. And then what's the next?
And laurel.
Laurel.
4 you said, right?
Yeah, 4.
1, 2, 3.
Shoot natin yan.
And then mix. Go inside the sauce. Nice.
Taste test mga pre. Natikman ko na pero papatikman natin sa German lady. Kung pasado ba? Mamantika. Oh. What is your name?
I don't know. Adobo.
What is it, asawa ko?
She wants to take off the shoes.
So take off the shoes. Loko. Pull up the... Ito, kay Jan itong sapatos sinusuot niya. Gaya-gaya kasi itong bata na tulugong ko. Cute mo to. Ay, Nico si Papa, Ella. Ella, ay Nico si Papa. Ay.
I don't want to do that.
Tulugon naman. So mga pre, dahil nandito si Ella, medyo magulo. Ako na mag-add nito. So tapos na yung chicken adobo natin mga pre. Luto na to. So ito, naka-ready na rin siya. No? So ilalagay na lang natin dito. Okay? Tapos yung itlog natin mga pare ko. Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan yan. So mapapansin nyo mga pre, dinamihan ko ng patatas, no? Kasi mga pre, hindi naman talaga sila carnivorous. So, mas gusto nila yan yung maraming gulay, patatas. Yan, mga vegetarian na yan sila. Karamihan. Yan. So, magtataka yan sila bakit may itlog na tong adobo. Siyempre, iba na yung recipe natin na to. Chicken killer adobo na mayroong pinya. No? Na may pineapple marmalade, no? So, antayin na lang natin si Bayaw David dumating. Tapos, kainan na tayo, no? So, liligpit ko muna to para malinis. Siyempre, palakas tayo dito. Bye-bye! Oh, Nico, it's cooked already?
Yeah, I'm nervous about the sauce.
Ja, du kriegst gleich was.
Okay, let's start. The children are hungry.
Yeah, just eating. Father in heaven, thank you for this nice day. Thank you for the summer here, and thank you for my family. Amen.
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 Oh, ja.
Fröhlich, John?
Ja,
Fröhlich?
genau, das ist überall.
Fröhlich sei das Abendessen, guten Appetit. Preis Jesus.
Palm trees?
Yeah.
Banana trees.
The banana trees, yeah.
Ah,
Banana
okay.
trees, yeah.
Yeah, we put it here, no? Yeah, it's quite good.
Bola lang yan.
Afterwards, it's like, oh.
Ist nicht weit, John. Nur ein bisschen.
We saw a banana tree there in front of Brian River.
Oh.
A tree.
On the
But this is
plate, we have
just
more
chicken,
chicken
right?
and
And I will
Or
of
is
course
there
try the
pork?
chicken.
Just a chicken.
Just
Yeah, patata.
Potato, Kartoffel.
Und, schmeckt das Fleisch lecker?
Papa touched my
I didn't put the onion, Ellie. Only the garlic, but only 3 times.
Thank you.
Nein. Vor allem, weil ich nicht denke, dass du die Hände gewaschen hast
Was
vom
ist das?
Essen.
Ellie?
Was ist denn?
Oh.
This is mine.
Tüchlein mit und vielleicht ein Behältnis für die Knochen.
Ja, hast du einfach. Du musst das ein bisschen anlassen, Schatz, noch. Okay, Ella hat auch ein letztes. Dann magst du noch ein bisschen von der Kartoffel.
It's very tasty.
Thank you, thank
Ein
you,
bisschen
thank you.
Strudel.
You managed to get a younger one.
Younger chicken.
Very yummy.
Salamat naman. Thank you. No, no.
Archie, tomorrow I will cook. Good joke.
Chicken cook pa. If you are...
He's telling you today so you can plan something for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Be outside of the house.
Pahingi papa. Ayan na po natira. Pawis na pawis.
So much you can... No, I'm not finished. I need a second portion. It's very nice and yummy. Masala.
So as you can see, all is wiped clear. No more adobo left. A little bit of rice. Archie is just finishing the rest of
Yum yum.
Ella's rest.
Masala.
Otherwise, everything is wiped
Ako na naman nahuli. I am the last one again.
But it's only it's Ella's leftovers.
Yeah. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So sorry.
So thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. Cook adobo. It's definitely the best. I think the best Filipino food. Yeah, enjoy your summer with your families or with friends.
Amen. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.